What's going on, world? I want to share with you guys a quick and easy way to clean your motorcycle. It doesn't matter what you ride, this will work. Now the key is to make it a weekly habit, just as you should be checking your chain, your brake, your gauges, your air. Throw this into the mix and your baby will be spotless 24/7. Now I've never been a fan of putting water all over your electronics, your controls, or your seat area, which happens to be on top of the battery. And most videos require for you to get buckets, sponges, soap, or a leaf blower to dry it off. And that's what most of you are doing. It's grabbing a hose and spraying her down like she's some kind of animal, like if she's nothing, just a machine that gets you from A to B. But she isn't just that. She's your sweetie, your baby. You need to show her more respect. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So what I've used ever since I started this riding journey is Honda's spray cleaner and polish. Yes, it's waterless and it does an amazing job, guys. It's a all-in-one, just phenomenal product. It works on aluminum, painted or non-painted surfaces, or plastics, chrome. It doesn't matter the level of filth. As you can tell, it's just layers of grease, road grime, bugs, and all will be clean just using this and a few rags, even underneath. Nobody sees this, but I hate it when it's so dirty. There's a few areas you want to avoid putting this on: seats, grips, foot pegs, and of course your tires. So just make sure that you've got those covered. I'm gonna do a quick demo, some areas, then I'm gonna bring you guys back once I'm done cleaning the bike. Also, look for it by name, because there's other ones out there, but this is the best one in the market. Best bang for the buck, I guarantee it. I know you're already thinking that water and soap is the more affordable option, but this goes such a long way. I've been riding for about 5 years and I've never touched that. So this is my recommendation after years of using it. So let's start off by, or what I like to do, or work section by section, spray the area, let it sit for a few seconds, then come back and wipe it. So let's start off by hitting this front of the bike. Let it sit. I feel like I'm in an Oxy Clean commercial, you know, because it's gonna be pretty cool. But check this out. You flip it. If you're concerned about scratching your fairings, just make sure that you're using a new side. Check this out. I haven't even sprayed it again. And look, just because the rag's already soiled, it does a job. This side, it's almost there. So like I said, I'm gonna finish the bike and I'll bring you guys back. Bam! There she is. All done. I'm sure every rider can say this about their bikes, but that to me is the most gorgeous thing out there. This is Scarlett, 2012 Honda CBR 600 RR, looking like a new bike. Sometimes I'll still stand here and just admire her. Still enjoy walking up to it. I'm sure that's something all riders have in common. Look at those gold shocks, man. They look like beams on Heaven's Gate. Clean. Like I said, guys, anything that has a matte color is gonna look clean. This is the nicest fairing that I have, so it has a good gloss to it. Rims, don't even have to mention it. Look like new. My exhaust, my pipe, everything underneath looks pretty clean. Any grime, grease, it just falls. I mean, it's such a powerful product, and that's all I use. Honda's spray cleaner and polish, a few rags. None of this, didn't have to make a mess, don't have to wait around to dry it off, and it does the job. I hope this has been helpful, or maybe you just enjoyed it. Had a good time making this for you guys. Go fanatic on that like button, subscribe. When you see that bell pop up, give it a nice jab. Meet me down in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. And as always, broadcasting from the Alamo City, ride and be free.